Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. We are so excited to have you again. If you look at 2023, it's about 3 years from now, but by political calculation and by the political weather, it's as if 2023 is going to open up or begin tomorrow. Reason being that there are already a lot of permutation and calculation on who will be the president of Nigeria, where such candidate will come from in the sixth geopolitical zone. Most political analysts are of the opinion that the Southeasterners should be given an opportunity to present a candidate for 2023. An expectation is that the two major parties in Nigeria, APC and PDP, should allow the Southeast to fly their flag come 2023. But guess what? That's not the case. And that's why some of those who have positioned themselves to become Igbo president come 2023 have already given out some very strong demands to some of those parties. For example, Dave Umahi, who is in the focus right now, says he's going to decamp to APC, and he gave a condition to PDP that I'm not interested in your plea though. If you want me to stay in this party as as a PDP member, then you must give give the Igbos an opportunity to fly your flag come 2023. That has not been concluded yet. Now, but guess what? He has already announced that he's moving to APC. The big question is, has he been given a promise to fly the flag of APC come 2023 as their presidential candidate, or is he going to stay as a vice president under a northern presidential candidate? That's the big question that the Ohanes and Igbo is asking him, and they are telling him that he should not jeopardize their chances. Don't forget that virtually all the groups in the east, that southeast, are in support of Igbo president. The only one that I know that right now they are not interested in anything called Nigeria, one Nigeria. They are not interested in anything called presidency come 2023 is actually IPOB, indigenous people of Biafra. They are strictly on their own. All what they are looking for is secession. But other groups are really in support. They said, we want to be president come 2023. But Umahi is trying to move to APC, and they're warning him, please don't jeopardize our chances. And they went forward to give him some very strong instructions, which I believe that he must take into consideration. And the news have it that the Ebonyi State Governor David Umahi has been warned not to trade the chances of the Southeast in 2023 presidential election by his planned defection to the All Progressive Congress APC this week. It was reported that Governor Umahi confirmed his defection during a stakeholder meeting in his Uburu, Ohauzara local government area country home on Sunday. Reacting to the defection yesterday, the national president of APEX Igbo Socio-Cultural Organization, Haneze Youth Council OYC Comrade Iboyaka told the nations that the organization is not against Umahi joining the APC, but such moves should not jeopardize the chances of the Ndibos producing next president of the country in 2023. While welcoming the move, he said that Igbo could not afford to put their eggs in one basket. Igbo can't put their eggs in one basket. We welcome Umahi straight to leave PDP if they don't cede presidential ticket to Southeast. He, however, advised governors and stakeholders in APC from the East to also threaten APC if they don't cede their presidential slot to Southeast. He cautioned that Nigeria democracy will be in shambles if PDP and APC fail to cede presidential ticket to Southeast. Denying Igbo, APC and PDP presidential ticket is easiest way to quicken Nigerian break-up. Nigeria will not exceed 2023 if any attempt is made to deny Igbo 2023 presidency. Igbo presidency is a narrow solution to Nigeria peace and unity, he warned. Speaking also, the President General Coalition of Southeast Youth Leader, COSEYL, Goodluck Ibem, noted that Nigeria's democracy is fragile, adding that the only viable way to make it strong is supporting Igbo presidency in 2023. He warned, and I quote, he said, any Igbo man that dares to accept a running mate to be a running mate to any candidate from the north will be banished and declared persona non grata. He, however, commended Governor Umahi's defection to the ruling All Progressive Congress (APC), saying it is a welcome development. The people of Southeast Geopolitical Zone are indeed totally disappointed with the way the People Democratic Party (PDP) treated Igbo after 21 years of support to the party. Igbos have always been very supportive to the PDP, but the party decided to zone their PDP presidential ticket to the north come 2023. So we are in support of any move that will better the chances of the people of Southeast to get the office of the president come 2023. Umahi have the support of Igbo, provided he does not renege by accepting vice president slot, which is unacceptable to Igbo. But let's go straight to the point, because I'd like to be very objective when issues like this are meant to be discussed. PDP, APC, I can't trust those two guys. If Igbos want to produce president come 2023, if they believe in Igbo presidency come 2023, they should not trust PDP and APC. That is the truth. Because the truth is that these guys have long list of people already on ground who are waiting to take over that position. Secondly, the Northerners know that the best platform for them to parade their candidate is PDP and APC. Already for PDP, it is gone, because right now, if you go to the social media, you realize that Atiku Abubakar has already, increased the volume of his presidential ambition come 2023. There are a lot of persons who are major stakeholders in PDP who are really, really in support of him. So for PDP, I don't think it's going to be possible. For APC, the list is long. Oh. If you look at the current trend of things, one of the people that we know is really, really agitating for that position is actually Tinubu. And Tinubu, we know that there are a lot of things happening right now. Some people believe that by that 2023, he may have retired from politics because possibly the North may come up with a lot of things against him and all. But hey, you just can't trust that. And in APC, the Igbos, that Southeast, has not really been in their picture. Don't forget that this Southeast that we're talking about for about 21 years, majority of their state had always been supporting PDP. If not PDP, you see Abgade, you understand? So they've not really been supporting APC, sorry. They've not been supporting APC. It has always been PDP. So right now, expecting that you come from the blues from PDP without paying a price, and you become a presidential candidate for APC come 2023, the opportunity is very slim. My candid advice to the Igbos, to the southeastern politician, is for them to use this opportunity to form a political party. And that political party, before they form the political party, a lot of consultation should be done in all the states. And they should agree on one political party, that's one political representative, one presidential representative, one presidential candidate representative who will fly the flag of that particular party. They should use that party to now see how they can liaise with some of the political heads of Igbo, the political heads, that's Igbo heads, who are in the north, in the south, in the east, in the west. Talk to those people and see how you can dive into the hearts of some of the northerners and some of the westerners and some of the southerners, so that you can secure their support come 2023. Use that platform to see how you can win the heart of those people in the north and other places. But to say PDP can be trusted or APC can be trusted, my brother, you guys will lose out. And those guys, they don't care. Immediately they come on board as the president come 2023, they will do everything to frustrate, whether forcefully or not, or whether forcefully or using any means, to ensure that your strive towards seceding from Nigeria is not possible. Nigeria is one country that is sitting on a cake of gunpowder. And the only thing that can salvage it and keep it as one is for the northerners to accept the southeast to be president come 2023, so that they can, gather up their economic knowledge and see how they can rescue this country from all the already existing debt that is staring at our faces. I believe that an Igbo man have the way without. He understands business. He knows how to, negotiate. He knows how to, secure victory for Nigeria economically. This is overly important. And most of the economic giants in the world, which are Igbo, of Igbo origin, most of them, when they hear that an Igbo president has emerged, most of them will return back to Nigeria to invest as much as they can and to see how they can develop Nigeria so that Nigeria can at least secure back its position as the giant of Africa. But guess what? It will not be on the platform of APC and PDP. Get that thing right. Forget all these things that they are promising. All what they want to do is to see how they can break in to Southeast and get a stronghold. I'm talking about the APC. That's what they want. And the next thing they will call Umahi is come and be the vice president. That's the only thing that they can offer him, or Nian Wodu, or any other political leader. They will just call him, come and be vice president. And on the basis of that, we've tried our best now. You can see, we have to be smart. If the Igbos must get that position, they've got to be very, very smart. And it starts now. You don't wait till 2022 and start voting out money for something to be done. Do it, start doing it now. That's where I would like to leave it. What do you think? If you believe that Igbo president will emerge come 2023, do you think that PDP or APC will give such an opportunity?